Water rushed into neighborhoods without warning, turning highways into rivers and backyards, catching families off guard. Drivers abandoned vehicles, campers fled in darkness, and 911 calls poured in as the emergency escalated across multiple counties.
1812 Coke Street. Still waiting on water rescue. If anyone has any boats or jet skis to help us get my in-laws and the other elderly on the road out.
Confirmed fatalities rose throughout the day as the storm's toll spread across Kerr County, Hill County, and the Concho Valley. Authorities reported dozens of people unaccounted for, some feared swept away from campsites, cabins, or cars along rapidly rising rivers.
Oh my gosh.
Guadalupe River. This is
Nothing but the soaked clothes on their backs.
Y'all, look at this. Oh my God. Over this.
we're at major floods in Government, Texas. Look at this stuff. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Camp Mystic, a well-known all-girls retreat near Hunt, suffered severe flooding as cabins